Welcome friends, here I am again with a new video in which I will explain how you can use the GSAP animation in your WordPress website even if you are using a Elementor page builder. GSAP is a lightweighted JavaScript library and you can create smooth animations with the help of it. You can check its official website gsap.com to know more about it. Although if you have little knowledge of JavaScript, you can create complex and unique animations flow with the GSAP. However, if you don't have any JS knowledge like me, then I will explain how to set the base requirement and you can create basic animations with GSAP. Or you can also take the help of AI tools like ChatGPT. Just type the kind of animation you need and it will provide the complete GSAP code to use in your website, like I usually do. Okay, now let's come to the main point, how we can set up GSAP animations. See here, I have set up some GSAP animations, just code some animations and assign that to a CSS class. And as I have built that page in Elementor, so I have applied that class to the part where I need that animations. For example, for these headings. Let's refresh and see it again. Right. Now let's move to the code part. See here, I have enqueued the script in functions.php file. However, if you are using Elementor Pro, then you can directly put the scripts in the custom code option in the Elementor Pro. For now, I have used in the functions.php and enqueue the main preferable scripts. Here are the two most important scripts, gsap.min.js and ScrollTrigger.min.js. gsap.min.js is the basic script and ScrollTrigger is used to control the animation on scroll. If you need these scripts URLs, you can copy it from description of the video. I have used another JavaScript URL for split the text. However, GSAP SplitText script is paid, so I have used different library for that. I have enqueue one more file gsap-custom.js. Here it is, where all the animation code was placed. You can use more GSAP scripts like scroll smoother min.js and customize min.js or any other scripts from the GSAP. And good thing is that the most of the scripts are free for now. Now let's see the GSAP code, gsap-custom.js. Okay, first line here bound all animations, so it will load after DOM content loaded and animations will run without any interruptions. We have also set the timeout so the animations will not break. And as I am using the Elementor, so I have disabled the Elementor editor. So when I edit the page in editor, it will not create any issue while editing the page. Then register the scripts which we have enqueue in this part. gsap.min.js is the base GSAP script, so it doesn't require to register. But the all others like scroll trigger and if you are using the scroll smoother or customize, you have to register these scripts here like this. Also, as the split type is not related to GSAP and a standalone script, so it will directly in connect when we enqueue this in the function.php. Now here is the heading animation code I have applied. So first of all, here the initializing the heading and set up the split. So letters are splits for animation. Okay, let's go more down. And here is the animation and the class I have initialized here. And this is the class. When I apply that class to the element in Elementor, then this animation will run only for that part. So there is no need to code it again and again, and you can just use the class, apply that to element, and the animation will work for that part. I have also created some more animations. See, like you can see, there is a different class, that is a different class. So we can define the class for the part and we can use that in the multiple pages. I have written all this code with the help of ChatGPT. I just explain what kind of animation I need for my section, and ChatGPT provided me the code. Then after little more discussion with the code ChatGPT provided, there is obviously not the 100% correct, but when I explain the issue with the code, then at the end I got what I need. So it's very helpful. If you don't need the JavaScript coding, then you can take the help of ChatGPT. So that's it for now, guys. And if you need any help or need to know anything else in WordPress, you can comment me and I will reply as soon as possible. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel for the video, for more video, in fact. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.